What's up guys, Patrick here from TechRay254. I am going to unbox this BNK professional wireless microphone and do a quick review on how they operate. So let's jump into it. Inside the box we have a black case with a BNK registered trademark. I will go ahead and open it. See guys, it is fully packed. I will now unwrap all these products one after the other, starting from this end. This is the clip-on microphone or the collar mic. I have the audio signal cable, head-on microphone, four pieces of batteries with 1.5 volts each, power adapter. We have two channel receivers here, body pack transmitter and handheld transmitter, or the normal microphone, the big microphone. Finally, I have this wireless microphone receiver which effectively receives the radio frequency of the microphone transmitter and convert it back to the audio signal. This is the user guide manual. I am done with unboxing. Next, I'm going to lay these batteries inside these two transmitters, and this is how we go about it. This is the battery house. Next, the handheld transmitter also has a battery house. This is how we do it. Body pack is a type of transmitter which is worn on the body with an included clip that allows it to be easily clipped on. It also has a power button, a volume knob, and a microphone jack. It is used with the collar microphone and the head-on microphone. At the back of the receiver, there is the direct current input socket for power input, mix output socket, other independent output sockets, and a pair of antennas. At the front, we have the power on and off button, two volume knobs, signal indicators for both transmitters, and the LD screen to indicate the function of the two channels. Next, we are going to test how these gadgets work. We are going to connect these gadgets here so that we can test if they are working. We have the power adapter. Let's connect it here. Jack to jack. We will connect it to this port here. Out 1+2. And then direct to the DVD. Then we have this handheld transmitter. Yeah, it's working. This is the body pack transmitter. We start with the headset. Turn it on. One, two. One, two, one, two. Yeah, this one is okay. We have the last one. That's all. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for this and much more.